If you're into vintage aesthetics but want modern features, this one's calling your name. With its iconic round keycaps and clicky blue mechanical switches, the S108 brings that old-school typewriter vibe to life. But underneath the retro style is modern power. Full RGB backlighting with 168 lighting modes, customizable side light, and a detachable wrist rest. Built with an aluminum top plate, this keyboard feels durable and premium. And with 108 full anti-ghosting keys, every press registers, no matter how fast or furious your gameplay gets. It's plug and play, ready for Windows, Mac, Linux, and even gaming consoles. A perfect blend of vintage charm and modern performance.